Welcome back to another walking tour. Today, we're right here in Richmond, near YVR Airport, exploring one of the most unique cherry blossom spots in the city, Berg Flight Path Park. This place is different, cherry blossoms in full bloom with planes soaring just overhead. It's where nature and motion come together in a way you don't see every day. As we walk through this park, I want you to notice more than just the scenery, because just like in real estate, it's often the unexpected combinations, the location, the surroundings, the experience, that create something truly special. Let's take a walk and see what makes this place stand out. As we walk through Berg Flight Path Park, there's a bit of history behind this place that makes it even more interesting. The park is named after Larry Berg, who played a major role in shaping what we now know as Vancouver International Airport into one of the best airports in the world. But what's really fascinating is how this entire area evolved. What used to be quieter, more industrial land around the airport has gradually transformed into a space where community, recreation, and lifestyle come together. And this park is a perfect reflection of that shift, turning something purely functional into something people can actually enjoy. And that transformation is something you see again and again in real estate. Areas grow, adapt, and redefine themselves. And when they do, they create new kinds of value that go far beyond just location. And this is one of those places. That wraps up our walk here at Larry Berg Flight Path Park. Cherry blossoms below, planes soaring above. It's a contrast you don't see every day, and somehow it just works. Places like this remind you that real estate isn't always about quiet views or traditional beauty. Sometimes it's about character, energy, and a location that offers something completely different. If you enjoyed this walk and want to explore more unique places around Vancouver and the lifestyle that comes with them, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me on the next walk, because every neighborhood has a story, and we're just getting started.